Are you looking for the best smartphone gimbals? Smartphone gimbals have evolved from niche accessories to essential tools for creators who want cinematic stability, professional tracking, and convenient storytelling on the go. Modern 3-axis stabilizers paired with intelligent tracking, built-in lighting, and USB-C charging can turn erratic handheld footage into polished content suitable for social feeds, live streams, and mini documentaries. In this review,
Product number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile 7P Gimbal Overview. The Osmo Mobile 7P sits at the premium end of the tested lineup, delivering a robust 3-axis stabilization system, a multifunctional module that integrates tracking, optional microphone compatibility, and lighting. Its magnetic phone clamp simplifies mounting, and the built-in extension rod and tripod expand framing options for vlogging and sit-down shots. The device emphasizes seamless workflow with one-tap edit and shot guides via DJI Mimo, aimed at content creators who value quick turnaround from shoot to share. Notable hardware traits include a relatively compact footprint, folded around 190mm by 95mm by 46mm, and a weight of about 13 ounces, which helps with fatigue during long shoots. Performance-wise, the 7P leverages dual-lens enhanced tracking and a capable 3-axis gimbal for lossless stability, even during dynamic movement. The magnetic clamp prompts attention to instant setup, while the multifunctional module provides extra microception and lighting. However, some users may encounter occasional app compatibility considerations. DJI Mimo availability varies by platform. The gimbal's 10-hour battery life and phone charging via USB-C are practical for day-long shoots, and the built-in extension rod enables wide-angle selfies or group shots without external accessories. In real-world use, the 7P excels for cinematic B-roll, interview-style setups, and on-the-go documentary work where quick setup and reliable tracking matter most.
Product number 2. DJI Osmo Mobile SE. Overview. The Osmo Mobile SE is a compact, portable option in DJI's line, featuring 3-axis stabilization, a built-in tripod, and a selfie-friendly form factor. The SE emphasizes accessibility and convenience, with a magnetically quick snapping clamp and a watch remote control through DJI Mimo on Apple Watch. It targets creators who want dependable stabilization with a lighter footprint and ease of use, making it ideal for casual vlogging, travel, and social content where setup speed matters more than advanced cinema-grade features. Performance-wise, ActiveTrack 6.0 provides solid subject tracking, and the 3-axis stabilization ensures smooth footage in everyday scenarios. The SE supports horizontal and vertical shooting, a practical feature for multi-platform content. The inclusion of a dedicated status panel simplifies runtime checks, and the compact foldable design makes it highly portable for travel. On the downside, the device may lack some of the more advanced shooting modes and image finish options found on higher-end models, and integration with third-party apps could be limited by firmware constraints. Battery life and charging capabilities are adequate for typical day-long shoots, but users chasing pro-level features may prefer another model in this list.
Product number 3. DJI Osmo Mobile 7 Gimbal Overview. The Osmo Mobile 7 broadens the SE lineup with ActiveTrack 7.0 and a lighter form factor, approximately 10.6 ounces, while maintaining a foldable design and built-in tripod. Its one-tap edit and shot guides aim to streamline content creation, and the dual-lens tracking approach, combined with a USB-C charging capability, targets creators who want richer trackability with less post-processing. Performance-wise, the 7's ActiveTrack 7.0 improves subject awareness and follow accuracy across more scenarios, including fast movements. The lighter weight aids in longer shoots, but the finish and grip quality are still a factor. Ergonomics are well considered with an anti-slip handle. The built-in tripod expands on-the-go stability for tabletop or desk setups, while the USB-C pass-through offers phone charging during long sessions. For users who value workflow efficiency and reliable tracking in a compact package, the 7 is a strong all-around choice. However, it sits at a moderate price point that competes closely with the premium SE options.
Product number 4. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Overview.
The Osmo Mobile 6 sits between SE and full 7P in terms of features, offering 3-axis stabilization, a built-in extension rod, and side-wheel focus control. It targets creators who want more advanced shooting tools, such as focus control and cinematic framing, without stepping up to the highest price tier. The foldable design and comprehensive tracking features position it well for vloggers and on-the-go filmmakers who value creative control and portability. Performance-wise, ActiveTrack 6.0, the same generation as SE, provides reliable subject tracking, and the side wheel introduces a tactile method for focus and zoom adjustments, enabling more nuanced storytelling. The main caveat is that OM6 may offer fewer advanced modes or higher-end features, like 10-hour battery life in some configurations, compared with the 7P, and some users may find the overall battery life and performance to be slightly less robust than the top-tier model. Overall, it's a compelling value for creators who want more control without stepping into the premium tier.
Product number 5. Aliexpress Phone Gimbal Stabilizer. Overview. The Aliexpress Smart XE Gimbal targets budget-conscious creators with a foldable 3-axis design, a focus wheel, and a substantial 2600 mAh battery rated for up to 10 hours of shooting. It supports a broad compatibility range and includes a tripod and USB-C charging cable, positioning itself as a feature-rich option at a very accessible price point. The focus wheel is a standout for those who want more manual control over focus and zoom without a lens attachment or interchangeable lenses. Performance-wise, Aliexpress emphasizes anti-shake with 7.0 level stabilization algorithms and brushless motors designed to handle larger phones, including iPhone models in the 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 Pro Max family, and several Android devices. The one-click video mode facilitates quick transitions from horizontal to vertical shooting, which is highly relevant for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. While the price-to-feature ratio is compelling, the build quality and long-term reliability may not match DJI, and there can be app ecosystem limitations or less mature firmware updates. For budget-minded creators who still want professional-looking results, the Smart XE represents strong value.